The appliance seal and surface wipes from Active are right here, and you can see the size of them. They're like, about a little bit bigger than twice the size of my hand, about 1, 2.5-ish size of my hand. So they're pretty good size. It probably says here on the package somewhere, but I don't see it right off the top. But they're good for wiping down your appliances, like the interior and exterior, even the seals, the gaskets and stuff, because they're designed to like clean scale and stains and buildup and all that kind of stuff. So they sent these to us so we could show them to you, and just comes in a little resealable packet here. You just lift this little tab, pull it out, and then seal it back up again so that they stay moist. But a nice little moist towel here, and you can use it to just wipe down all your surfaces and inside your dishwasher and outside of your dishwasher and all this the little drippy drips that fall down the front of the dishwasher and stuff. And then of course it says it'll get like the scale and build up and stuff inside of your washing machines and dishwashers and all that kind of stuff. This one, we just ran it, so it's kind of a little bit shiny inside, but the outside edge that doesn't get the water here, see that? Just cleans that up like, ta-da, look at that. So it's nice to have some kind of easy clean kind of a thing to just do along the sides that don't get cleaned very often or whatever. So yeah, good stuff. Thanks for sending those. That's going to be very, very handy for washers and dryers and washing machines and stoves and dishwashers and all that stuff. So yeah, good stuff.